Okay, get him.
Careful, guys. Careful. Careful.
Look at him. We haven't seen anything like that before.
Take his pictures.
Okay. I'm going to come around that side. It's okay.
Look,
It doesn't hurt.
he's yellower than he looks, Mitch.
Yeah.
When we first saw him.
Okay, you have to let him go.
Here, Mitch.
Are you videoing?
Yep.
This is, I have no idea what it is, but it's definitely a type of bird. It has wings of a finch,
Get it from
but
this side here. You can see more of his body.
Not
like
really.
his,
as you can see right here, it's got the wings of a finch, but it's all orange. So
Very pretty.
I'm thinking if it's a new species, I might call it an emperor finch or a
Careful, kid.
All right.
or a king finch.
You gonna let him
or a
go,
bronze
buddy?
finch. Now,
Good
Take your
job.
glove off, maybe. Or,
okay. Now, see? Oh, look at that mouth.
Okay, don't
Look.
put your finger in his face, bud. That's it. Is that how you scared
How you
him?
gonna let him go, bud?
Look, I'm trying to see if he tracks my hand.
Can you let him go now, please?
All right. Now,
Okay.
we're gonna...
Is he okay?
Whoa!
There you go.
Woo!
That was fast.
This